The FEIFANKE 200A stick welder offers a versatile welding experience with its adjustable current range from 20 to 200 amperes, making it suitable for various welding needs. This 2-in-1 machine allows users to easily switch between stick welding and lift TIG welding modes, providing flexibility for different welding projects. Equipped with a digital display and intuitive controls, this welder is user-friendly, catering to both beginners and experienced welders for a seamless operation. The complete set of accessories, including a welder machine, adapter, electrode holder, and more, ensures that you have everything needed to start welding right away. Safety is a priority with the FEIFANKE welder, as it includes overcurrent and overheating protection, along with a VRD function for added security. With its dual voltage capability of 110 volts and 220 volts, this welder is ideal for various environments, from home DIY projects to professional repair tasks.